Hi everyone. Today we'll explore some fascinating things about Canada. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to hit like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on future videos. Let's get started. Canada is a country located in North America, famous for its stunning natural landscapes, cultural diversity, and high quality of life. Situated in the northern part of the North American continent, Canada borders the United States to the south and is flanked by the Atlantic Ocean, Pacific Ocean, and the Arctic Ocean. It is the second largest country in the world by land area, following Russia. Canada is known for its multicultural policies where people from all over the world come to settle and live harmoniously. This diversity is clearly reflected in its cuisine, festivals, and cultural activities. The country is known for its highly regarded education system, with many top-ranked universities and educational institutions worldwide. International students often choose Canada as a study destination because of its high quality of education and safe living environment. Canada is famous for its majestic natural landscape, diverse from mountains, lakes to vibrant cities. Below are some of the outstanding landscapes and tourist destinations when you come to this country. Niagara Falls is located on the border between Canada and the United States, near the city of Toronto in the province of Ontario. Niagara Falls is one of the most famous waterfalls in the world, with its majestic scenery and the resounding sound of the falling water. You can experience the falls up close on a boat tour, or visit the falls at night when they are beautifully lit. The next destination will be Banff National Park. Located in the province of Alberta, within the Rocky Mountains, Banff National Park is one of the oldest national parks in Canada. It's renowned for its breathtaking mountain scenery, crystal-clear lakes like Lake Louise and Moraine Lake, and diverse wildlife, including bears and elk. Visitors can engage in activities such as hiking, skiing, camping, trekking, lake tours, and relaxing in hot springs. This is the CN Tower, once renowned as the world's tallest freestanding structure and an iconic symbol of Toronto. From here, you can enjoy panoramic views of the city and Lake Ontario, as well as experience the thrill of walking on the glass floor at a height of over 340 meters. Visitors can also admire the scenery from the observation deck, experience the sky pod, or dine at the 360-degree revolving restaurant. Vancouver is one of the most beautiful cities in Canada, harmoniously blending nature and modern urban life. With large parks like Stanley Park, beaches, and the historic Gastown neighborhood, Vancouver is an ideal destination for both nature and city lovers. The city offers a wealth of interesting attractions for visitors, including Stanley Park, strolling through Gastown, visiting the Vancouver Aquarium, and exploring the Granville Island Market. Lake Louise is renowned for its stunning turquoise waters surrounded by towering mountains and pine forests. It is one of the most beautiful lakes in Canada and an ideal place to relax and enjoy the scenery. Visitors can participate in activities such as boating on the lake, hiking around the lake, and skiing in the winter. Quebec City is one of the oldest cities in North America, with distinctive French architecture and an old town that is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. You'll be captivated by the cobblestone streets, Chateau Frontenac, and the city's historic atmosphere. We can explore the old town and take photos at Chateau Frontenac. Wish you all a wonderful experience and discover many interesting things in Canada. Hey everyone, if you enjoy the content, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more amazing videos. Your support means the world to me and helps the channel grow. Thanks for watching,